Welcome to the DS90 iSeries video collection. Today's video will introduce the process of creating a customized menu. For our example, the user would like to build a menu that contains three options: order entry, customer maintenance, and item maintenance. For our demonstration, the user profile already has access to maintain and build new menus and is authorized to all three menu options. With some basic training, any authorized user can do this. The first thing I'm going to do is use a keyword called users to access user registration. You will see user profiles with an asterisk in front of the name. These are what we refer to as groups. Menus may be created for specific users, but in this video, I want this menu available to everyone, so I will create the menu under the group StarDFT. I will right-click on StarDFT and select Menus. The menu I am going to create is called Video. I enter Video in the Select Menu name and click on Create. I will accept the default name for this new menu. To see a list of available menu options that I can add to my menu, I will click on Create. To find the order entry option, I will use the description field to search. Once it has been located, I will right-click and select. Once this has been selected, it will be added to my new menu as menu sequence 10. To find the remaining two options, I will press Create again. By entering CS and MNT and selecting OK, I will be given a list of all customer service menu options. My list displays both of the menu options that I want to add to my new menu. In order to select both of the menu options, I am going to enter a value in the option column. These values will help determine where they are placed on my new menu. Remember, I already have one option on my menu with the number 10. I will give customer maintenance a 5 and item maintenance 15. This will cause these two menu options to surround the existing order entry option. When I select OK, both options will be added to my menu. Once I have all three options, I can then reorganize them in the order that I want. I will move the order entry application to the top by changing its current number to 5 and selecting OK. I also have the ability to rename any of these menu options so they could reflect a naming convention that is easier for my organization to understand. To save this menu, I will press OK. One of the added benefits of creating menus is that the system will also create a keyword called Video. Once the menu is created, from anywhere in the system I can type Video in the keyword field and select OK. This will bring me instantly to my new menu. The next step is to add this new menu to my user profile as my initial menu. I will access user registration by using the keyword users. Once I locate my user profile, I will right-click and select Edit, and on this screen I will set the initial menu to Video. I will now sign off and back on to test my changes. My new custom menu is now my starting menu. No programming skills required. You can find additional videos and further information about our DS90 iSeries software on our website. Please call or email us with questions or to arrange a personalized demonstration. Thanks for watching.